meet the sovereignty requirements. When unusual behavior at sea is detected,
dare to prepare and act boldly.
But for us here in Kenya, we are suffering immense economic challenges for a war that we have absolutely no role. Yet we have to explain to our local population that prices of goods have gone up, that the price of fuel has gone up, So now the conversation in villages in Kenya is about Strait of Hormuz. And people are asking this Hormuz where it is. Why? Because there have been street protests because of the same. They have, and sometimes they turn a bit ugly. There have been very ugly political conversations about the same. The problems in the sea, which are insecurities in the sea, become also insecurity in the land, because it is imported by the economic challenges that come with that insecurity in the sea. Now transports that problem to become both economic and a political problem for countries that absolutely have no role in the conflict that is going on.
Because of just working together and sharing so much information, we find that we are able to detect most of these threats. And again, we have other global efforts, one based in Bahrain, another one again from the EU called Operation Atlanta, and they are all started here right now, who are always again on the waters. So because of these interactions, we've been able to make our waters more safer.
According to open sources, there are around 2,000 ships which are stuck basically inside the Gulf region with 20,000 seafarers on board. That's according to open sources.